Alright guys, so I don't really know how to intro this or really like explain what's about to happen. So I'm about to go to LA. My flight leaves in about 3-4 hours. I'm meeting up with MTV Jesse, which if you know him, he's part of the Nelk channel. And one of my homies named Tori. We're working on a new brand together. It's pretty crazy, honestly. Like, I used to watch Jesse's videos like years ago, and now I'm flying to LA to like talk business and start a brand with them, which is just pretty mind-blowing, honestly. It's honestly crazy, guys, to see like how far we've came. From my first YouTube video, now we're here, I'm flying to LA, making things happen. Really, I can't thank you guys enough. And so I just can't thank you guys enough, really, is what the point of this clip is. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. This is kind of the intro clip to it. I'm not gonna do another one. So if you guys do, be sure to leave a like down below. Leave a comment, tell me what your favorite part is. This is definitely gonna be probably my favorite episode, hopefully. It's gonna be a pretty wild one.
Nance, 4 shift. You ready? Alright, yeah, yo, yeah. I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same.
Alright guys, so we just got through security. I don't really know if you can hear me because my mask, and I'm vlogging in public, so it's hella awkward. But we're at the airport now. I'm about to go find my terminal. My flight leaves in like 2 hours basically, or an hour and 30 minutes just about. So I have a little bit of time. I'm probably gonna get something to eat and just chill.
Way I'm fucking up, the only way y'all make a hit is if it was a sucker punch. All these rappers sensitive, tell them boys to toughen up. They can kiss my ass too, tell them all to pucker up. Shoutouts to Posada, they sleeping on us, no pajamas. But I ain't gonna sweat it, even if this was a sauna. Invested in myself, y'all just fucking up some commas. Get your act together, boy, you don't want the drama. Dropped out of school and then I dropped into the industry.
Alright guys, so it's now 4:30 basically, CST. I'm at the Dallas airport right now. My plane leaves in like 2 hours, so it's gonna be a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna just chill. I'll probably edit this a little bit and get some work done. I just had Wingstop. It's pretty good. There's not really too much else to say here. I'm trying to talk kind of quiet because this is so weird. So that's pretty much what's going on now, guys.
Now watch it blow up. Headed to the show now, about to go up. Oh yeah, hold up. These rappers ain't live, they just rapping over vocals. To tell the truth, y'all wouldn't sound as good without the Pro Tools. That ain't even a diss. If I saw you, I'd approach you. Always speak the truth, yeah, every time I'm vocal. The studio's my office, man, something like the Oval.
Boys, we are finally here. It's been a long day. I started at 2, now it's like 10, but it's really 8 because of time difference. I just got to my Airbnb. Definitely really nice. I'll give you guys a little like tour of it or whatever in a second. I'm about to get all my stuff unpacked and just kind of settle in. Alright guys, so a little time's passed. I've showered. I'm actually in different clothes. I went and got in and out. Didn't record it. Wasn't really too exciting. So in the morning, I'll probably give you the tour. I'm about to get some work done, then go to sleep. I'm really tired. Alright guys, what's going on? It's now 9 o'clock PST, so it's like 11 o'clock for me basically. Today should be a lot funner. I'm about to go get some work done first, then go to breakfast somewhere, and then I'll probably go to Walmart or somewhere and try to get some like water and like stuff to have, I don't know. Because I realized I have no water in here. I'm drinking like this, so. I'm drinking just a little bit, so after I get some stuff done, I'm about to go get some breakfast, and honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing today yet, so I'm about to figure that out. Alright guys, I realized I didn't give you a tour of like where I'm staying, so I'm gonna do that really quick. Honestly, not too big. It's a guest house of another house, so it's pretty much just perfect, all I need. Not really too much to it over here. We just have a corner. We have a chair with all my stuff, my suitcase. We have a little clothing rack with all my shoes on it. And we have a little desk, a bed where I sleep, air conditioner. We have a TV, this sink stuff, another desk. We have a mirror. This is the fit today. We have a Kith tee. What are these pants that I found at PacSun? Like I said, the Travis's, kind of fire. Then we have a bathroom here. And that's pretty much it. Not really too much to it. Pretty simple, plain, really all I need. So right now I'm about to leave. Supposedly there's some restaurants in like walking distance, So I'm about to go do that. I don't really know how far they are or where they are really. So I'm about to go figure that out. Alright guys, so I just got out of breakfast. I ate at some place called Patty's. Honestly really good, a bit expensive compared to Oklahoma, but definitely good. So now I'm trying to find some like water, like a grocery store or something. There should be a Trader Joe's up here. I'm trying to find it, that's what's going on right now. And then I'm gonna bring some water back to my Airbnb. Alright guys, so I just got the water. I just got a big ass thing of it. This is like 60 cents, so I'm kind of confused on why it was so cheap. I'm about to go back to the Airbnb, call it Uber. I'm about to go to Gardena. I don't really know where, but I'll update you guys whenever we get to the Airbnb. Alright guys, so it's kind of like weird right now. I just woke up and I'm going to Melrose. I'm meeting up with one of the homies from Sabre. And we're gonna like go to Cool Kicks, I think, and get coffee or something. I don't really know yet. Kind of what we're doing. I'm in a rush right now because I'm supposed to leave like 10 minutes ago. And my Uber is gonna be here in 11 minutes. So that's kind of what's going on right now. Alright boys, so I finally found an Uber. It says it'll be here in 5 minutes. This like Uber thing where they can charge more or something, complete BS. I had to pay $20 for a 10-minute Uber.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face now.
Alright guys, so my Uber fucking dropped me off like 0.5 miles from where I'm really supposed to be. So now I'm having to walk down Melrose. It's low-key hot because I got jeans on. So now I'm walking down to like Cool Kicks area where I'm meeting up with one of my homies. So update, my homie's coming to pick me up because the Uber dropped me like, I don't even know, 20-minute walk from where I'm supposed to be, which is bullshit. That's a mile away. Alright boys, so it's been a little bit. I realize I'm a pretty bad YouTuber. It's been a couple hours since the last clip. I don't even remember what the last clip was. And now I'm really just kind of chilling right now. I just, I messed up and I didn't record myself checking out the Chinatown Market Grateful Dead shit. So I got one of those tees for personal. Should have been recording, don't know why I wasn't. But I'm probably about to get lunch right now. I'm starving, haven't really had anything to eat today. And yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I'm probably about to shower, get something to eat, edit even more, and then I don't know from there. Alright boys, so I just called an Uber. I'm about to go eat at this place called like Bob's Bad Boys or something, Bob's Big Boys, I don't know. Supposedly it's a pretty good burger place. So I'm about to Uber there, get something to eat. Hopefully I can sit down, honestly, I don't know if I can. So I'll probably do that, then come back here, take a shower, and I don't know, just get ready for something. Boys, it's official. I suck at vlogging. Literally, I'm terrible at it. I don't know why I can't do it, but I'm gonna work on it during the whole like one little clip when I went and ate. So I went and ate, I Ubered there. Then I just ate obviously, then I Ubered back. For a second, I thought I was gonna be stranded because my phone, I need to charge it actually. My phone was like on 8%. It's, and like no Uber is picking it up because like for some reason, nobody wants to pick up out here. It's so weird. All right guys, so I took a shower, I got ready. This is the fit. We got the Revenge jersey, the Travis on, of course. That's pretty much what it is, black jeans. Tori's on his way. He's about to come pick me up. I'm about to go over to his house for a little bit. I think Jesse's sliding through. We're about to talk some business. You guys know what it is. All right, guys. So it's official. I am literally the worst vlogger like ever. I don't even know. So yesterday I went over to Tori's house and then Jesse came over. We talked a little about what we're about to be doing. I was planning on vlogging. I brought my camera and everything, but honestly, we just talked for like a couple hours about business and stuff, so I really never got a chance. And then we got food, we went to In-N-Out, and then basically I just came home. There wasn't really anything. For some reason I didn't even think about picking up my camera, which it's terrible. Like, it's really bad. This is gonna be a pretty shitty video, honestly. Like, I'm pretty disappointed because I planned on this being like super good and being multiple videos, but unfortunately I think it's gonna be one like kind of long video. I have to edit it still. I'm gonna try to vlog more. I really am. It's so like weird right now just to vlog in public. I don't know. It's just a weird like mental hump I'm trying to get past. A little later in the video, I'll update you guys about what's kind of happening right now and like what I'm doing. Just so you're not completely in the dark, but unfortunately I can't tell you everything right now. So I'm going to eat at this sushi place. Honestly, I don't know what it is. One of the boys from Saber recommended it, so I'm going to check it out. It's not too far from here. It's called Kazunori, I don't know. I don't know what it's called, but hopefully it's gonna be good. I was looking at some pictures and it looks pretty good. I don't even think I recorded one clip when I went to eat. You probably can't even hear me right now. I went and had sushi. Not very good, not gonna lie. I try to record, but it just gets weird. Like, I don't really know like what to record or like when to record it. I don't know. All right, guys. So it's now Sunday. I don't know if I recorded anything today. Nothing's really happened. I've pretty much just been editing this whole episode for like a couple hours now. This is the fit though. We got a Supreme tee, some basic khakis, and then some 380 Mist. I'm honestly really liking the 380 Mist. Like the silhouette of them might be my new favorite Yeezy. I'm not sure yet. So it's now the last day. I just took a shower, got everything ready. We're pretty much ready to go. I cleaned up the Airbnb a little bit, and then we're pretty much ready to go. I'm about to call an Uber or a Lyft, go to the airport right now. My flight got delayed, so now it leaves like 9:10 or 9:15 or something, where it was gonna leave at 8:30. It's okay, but still just a little annoying. If you guys have been enjoying this video, be sure to leave a like on it. It's probably not gonna turn out the way I wanted it to, unfortunately. I want it to be like a really, really good video, but it's just hard for me to like vlog in public, honestly. And I don't really like know what to show. Like if I go out to eat somewhere or something like that, I don't know what to show. And I just met these guys that I've been hanging out with, so it's kind of weird for me to pull a camera out. Hopefully next time I come, it'll be a lot better. I have this package here. As you saw earlier in the video, I ordered an Ungrateful Dead tee. It's like a Chinatown Market Ungrateful Dead like collab or something like that. So I have this right here, so I'm about to open it up. They were dropping some like Crocs, I think it was, and I just kind of saw this tee and realized I need more t-shirts. Looking at it now, it's not the dopest tee, and I don't even remember getting it in this colorway. I thought I got it in the other colorway. This doesn't look like orange to me. Like that, the camera, it looks like a pink. In the camera, like it looks like orange in the camera, but in real life it looks pink. Probably still gonna wear it because I need some more clothes. My girlfriend will probably end up wearing it the most, but it's definitely a pretty dope tee. All right guys, that is the end of this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to leave a like down below and let me know what your favorite part of the video was. Unfortunately guys, the video didn't turn out as well as I thought it would. I mean, I don't think it was a bad video, but I definitely wish it would have been a lot better. I'm actually going to be hiring a professional editor to basically take over after this episode. Well, maybe after next episode, I'm not sure yet. Hopefully the quality's going to get a lot better. I definitely want to step it up and take it up like a lot, honestly guys. I want to make my videos very high quality. So if you guys are excited for that, and if you have not already, please be sure to subscribe down below. And be sure to turn on post notifications to get notifications whenever I upload and when I live stream. Also guys, this is like totally off topic besides the point, but OmniProxies, my proxy company, is about to be launching data center proxies. If you guys saw on live stream, actually you'll see next episode that I absolutely shredded within the past couple releases. So if you guys are interested, be sure to follow our Twitter. I'll link it down in the description below. I believe they're gonna be releasing Tuesday, not sure yet, but follow our Twitter and follow my personal Twitter and I'll update you guys whenever they're releasing. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.